Welcome back to Car Max Update. Today we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport, a rugged SUV that has been completely redesigned to balance toughness, comfort, and modern technology. From the first glance, the Pajero Sport carries a bold and commanding presence, with Mitsubishi's signature dynamic shield front grille now sharper and more aggressive. The LED headlights are slimmer, stretched across the front fascia, and the daytime running lights give it a futuristic touch. The sculpted body lines flow into flared wheel arches, and the high ground clearance enhances its adventurous personality. At the rear, the redesigned taillights are sleeker than before, paired with a stronger bumper design that makes it look muscular and stable on the road. Moving inside, the 2026 Pajero Sport has undergone a major transformation. The cabin feels premium and modern, with soft-touch materials and a redesigned dashboard that centers around a large digital infotainment screen. The fully digital instrument cluster brings a high-tech vibe, while ambient lighting gives the cabin a welcoming atmosphere. Space has been improved, offering generous legroom and headroom for all passengers, and the third row is more comfortable than previous models. Leather upholstery, ventilated seats, wireless charging, and a panoramic sunroof make the SUV feel luxurious, yet practical for long journeys. When it comes to performance, Mitsubishi has focused on power and efficiency. The new Pajero Sport is expected to come with a turbocharged diesel and possibly a hybrid option, delivering strong torque for both city driving and off-road adventures. The updated Super Select 4WD system offers multiple terrain modes, ensuring confidence on mud, sand, gravel, or snow.